Writing style casual. Hey everyone! I'm on a cheesy quest today to find the ultimate pizza sandwich. Yes, you heard that right, where pizza meets sandwich in a delicious, gooey showdown. Let's dive in. Picture this. 2 slices of golden, crispy bread packed with all your favorite pizza toppings. I'm talking layers of melted mozzarella, tangy tomato sauce, spicy pepperoni, and maybe even some fresh basil to add that extra pop of flavor. Now imagine all that, pressed and toasted till it's irresistibly crunchy on the outside and melt in your mouth cheesy on the inside. But wait, it gets better. Let's throw in a twist. What if we added some unconventional ingredients? Think blue cheese for a sharp bite, or perhaps some sweet caramelized onions to balance the savory with a hint of sweet. The possibilities are endless. Now I'm not just here to tease your taste buds. I'm actually going to try making one of these bad boys right here, right now. And I'm challenging you to get creative in your kitchen too. What would you put in your pizza sandwich? Drop your ideas in the comments. Alright, let's get to building this beast. First up, the bread. You want something sturdy enough to handle all this cheesy goodness without falling apart. I'm going with a nice thick ciabatta. Next, the cheese. Lots of it. I'm layering slices of mozzarella with a sprinkle of Parmesan for that extra cheesy crust. Toppings time. I've got pepperoni, black olives, and some diced bell peppers here. And for that twist, a spoonful of ricotta cheese. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now let's slather on that tomato sauce, and into the sandwich press it goes. The anticipation is killing me. The smell alone is making my mouth water. Alright, it's time. Let's slice into this cheesy masterpiece. Oh yes, look at that cheese pull. This, my friends, is what cheesy dreams are made of. So, what do you think? Would you try this at home? Maybe throw in your own mix of toppings? I bet a drizzle of hot sauce or a scoop of pesto could take this to the next level. I hope this inspires you to experiment with your own versions of a pizza sandwich. Remember, the key ingredient is always your creativity. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep those taste buds adventurous.